Hi everyone, it's Vivian Resnick, your 1% listing realtor in Tampa Bay, Florida. I'm excited to welcome you to the beautifully renovated home in the Greenbriar community in Clearwater, Florida. Super chic, fully renovated, and move-in ready. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath block home with a 1-car garage is a rare find in this highly sought-after Greenbriar community. This home is tucked away in a peaceful, dead-end street, giving you style and serenity all in one. The open floor plan is flooded with natural light. Greenbriar community offers pool, clubhouse, fitness center, low HOA fees, and it's a short drive from Clearwater Beach, shopping, dining, parks, and best of all, it is not in a flood zone. So this home is a rare blend of thoughtful design, modern updates, and the location can't be beat. Now, let's go take a tour. Remember, if you'd like to save thousands when selling your home and have your home featured on my YouTube channel, give me a call. You can find me at listforlessflorida.com or vivianresnick.com. Don't forget to follow me here on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, and you can hit the red subscribe button to follow me for more videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.